alright, alright.
Welcome back.
Going to wash my pre-cleaned shark with some lime vinegar or lemon. I am going to use my homemade green seasoning. That link will be provided at the end screen and the links above also. Before we continue,
Click the bell for new video.
this is the star of the show. I am using this type of breadcrumbs and we're going to add one piece of our fillet shark. Make sure it is properly well coated on either side. Place in our baking pan. We're going to place the two pieces in a preheated oven at 375 degrees for 25 minutes. If you don't want it as crispy as I get it, this is what it would look like, but you will have to cook this at 350 for 20 minutes. Now let's plate. I am having this with some roasted tomato tambraind dip. The link for the tambraind sauce that was homemade and the roasted tomato will be above. I added some cilantro and extra pepper. That's optional. It is perfect as is. You don't need to add any extra heat to the sauce. And this is what the shark looks like inside. It's really tender and delicious. Give it a try. Let me know how it comes out. If you had made it this far in the comment section, please type hashtag your views matters. Quick reminder, the two sauces that was used to make the dip for this oven fried Parmesan shark would be in the cards above and at the end screen. I will also add it in the description.